Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. In the ever-evolving realm of modern architecture, innovative designs ideas have transformed the landscape of contemporary homes, embracing a fusion of functionality and aesthetics. Architects and designers are constantly pushing boundaries to create spaces that redefine the concept of living. Open floor plans with strategically placed glass balls invite abundant natural light, blurring the distinction between indoor and outdoor spaces. Minimalist interiors, characterized by clean lines and neutral palettes, execute a sense of simplicity and sophistication. Sustainable design practices are gaining prominence with eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient technologies seamlessly integrated into the structure. Rooftop gardens and green walls not only enhance visual appeal but also contribute to environmental sustainability. Smart home technologies have become integral, offering residents intuitive control over lighting, security, and climate. Floating staircases, innovative storage solutions, and multifunctional furniture optimize space utilization. The incorporation of asymmetrical shapes and unique geometric patterns add a touch of avant-garde light for exteriors. Reflective surfaces such as mirrored accents and polished finishes create an illusion of expansiveness, making even compact space feel open. More artistic focal points such as statement lighting fixtures or Mesopark installation inject personality into the design. Ultimately, these amazing design ideas for modern home emphasize a harmonious blend from function and sustainability, ensuring in a new era of contemporary living. Thanks for watching. Also, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.